The classroom was full, but not a single sound existed. No laughter, no questions, no answers, just silence and one empty chair that changed everything. The bell rang at exactly 9 a.m. Students walked into the classroom one by one, dragging their bags, whispering to friends, laughing softly. But something felt different. No one spoke loudly. No one laughed freely, because the seat near the window was empty. It was usually filled by a boy named Armaan. He wasn't popular, he wasn't loud, he never caused trouble. He sat quietly, listened carefully, and wrote everything neatly in his notebook. Teachers often forgot him, students barely noticed him, but today, everyone noticed his absence. The teacher entered and started the lesson as usual. "Open your books," she said. Pages turned, pens moved, yet the classroom felt heavy. Normally, Armaan would raise his hand, not high, not confidently, but slowly, politely. Today, no hand rose from that corner. The teacher asked a question. Silence. She asked again. Still silence. For the first time, she looked toward the empty seat and paused. She checked the attendance register. "Armaan?" No response. A student quietly said, "Ma'am, he won't be coming." The teacher frowned. "Why?" The class stayed silent. Then a girl in the second row spoke, her voice shaking. "He used to come early every day to clean the board." Another boy added, "He helped me with homework, but I never thanked him." Someone else whispered, "He gave his lunch to others, even when he had very little." The teacher slowly closed the register. That's when the principal entered the room. His voice was calm, but heavy. "Students," he said, "Armaan passed away last night." The room froze. "He worked after school every day," the principal continued, "to support his family. He studied at night. He never complained." A pin could be heard falling. The teacher walked to Armaan's desk. Inside the desk was a notebook. She opened it. On the last page, written carefully, were these words: "I stay quiet in class because silence helps me listen. One day my silence will speak for me." Tears filled her eyes. She turned to the students. "From today," she said softly, "this classroom will remember him." The entire period passed without teaching. No one talked, no one laughed, only understanding remained. The bell rang, but no one stood up, because for the first time they realized the quietest student often carries the loudest struggles. Insight. Silence is not weakness. Sometimes it's strength waiting to be heard. Subscribe for more interesting stories.